All right, hopefully you guys can hear me. This one's just for fun. I'm kind of hungry today. Some days with autoimmune diseases, you're not very hungry. Other days, you have a good appetite. Today, I do. And I want a snack similar to what I might make from back home. So, we're going to do bologna, egg, cheese, toast sandwiches. It's just like a 5-minute meal. So, I'm going to show you the steps to doing this. White bread is the tradition, but you could use any bread you want. So you just put that in the toaster and you got one piece of cheese of your choice for each slice of bread. The sandwich is going to have 2 eggs, 5 pieces of bologna right here. The trick to that, so they don't bubble up when you fry them, is to cut it into quadrants first. We got a little oil going in the front pan just to get it going ahead of time, but this is going to make most of our grease for the bologna at least. Let's get this going. Now that that bologna's going, our bread is ready to go. So remember, 1 piece of cheese per piece of toast. The bologna fries up fast, so you want to mind this. You'll set off your smoke alarms very fast if you don't. Personally, I gotta cook it like Spam extra crispy for all of you out there who are Spam lovers. Those are really crispy. It's almost done. All right. Turn that off for a second. Get this off and show you what you're looking at. So, if you get it right, you're gonna have it nice and crispy like that, where you'll see some sort of a burning on the bologna itself, but not like overly done and burnt to a crisp, where it doesn't taste good at all. Try to get it on the bread the best you can so it helps melt that cheese. A little hot there. Okay, now we just got to finish up with the egg, and we're ready to eat this guy. A little more oil just for the eggs. I always keep a second plate to get rid of those things without contaminating our food, so we're going to put that off to the side there. Get that going again. I like to break up the yolk for this particular sandwich. You can do that however you want. A little salt, a little pepper. And just mind your egg. If you did it good, you'll have a nice little patty to go right in between those two sandwich halves, and boom. All right, that's ready to go. turn our vent off now. Put those sandwich halves on top of each other. And that, my friends, is the Midwestern treat when you're super hungry. Let's sit down here and take a quick little bite of this thing and see how it tastes and call it a night on our first little food cooking adventure at Greedo's Goldmine. This is like the bachelor's divorced dad sandwich. Remember, 2 pieces of toast, a few slices of fried bologna, chop it up in quadrants so that it cooks right, 2 eggs, 2 pieces of cheese, all delicious. Exactly the spot I was looking to hit. On that note, we'll leave you off to have a great rest of your night. Thanks for tuning in to a special Greedo's Goldmine, your most bipolar toy show on all the internet, where I guess now sometimes we cook 10-minute snack meals too. So cheers to that. Till the next one, everyone. Have a great day, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.